Welcome to our video on 5 minutes posture exercises to maximize your height. Whether you want to improve your posture or add a few extra inches to your height, these exercises will help you achieve your goals. Remember, consistency is key, so let's get started. Maintaining good posture not only contributes to your overall appearance but can also help you maximize your height potential. While genetics play a significant role in determining your height, certain exercises and habits can assist in optimizing your posture, making you appear taller and more confident. We'll explore various posture exercises that can help you achieve better alignment, improve spinal health, and make the most of your natural height. Mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and your arms relaxed at your sides. Engage your core muscles and imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head. Roll your shoulders back and down, opening up your chest. Relax your neck and look straight ahead. Hold this pose for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Great job! Now let's move on to exercise 2. Wall slide. Wall slide. Stand with your back against a wall, ensuring your heels, buttocks, shoulders, and head are touching the wall. Gently press your lower back into the wall and tuck in your chin. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute, focusing on elongating your spine and maintaining proper alignment. Stand with your back against a wall, with your feet about 6 inches away. Place your arms against the wall, with your elbows bent at a 90-degree angle and your palms facing forward. Slowly slide your arms up the wall, keeping your elbows and wrists in contact with the wall. As you slide up, focus on keeping your shoulders down and back, engaging your upper back muscles. Slide up as far as you can without discomfort, and then slide back down. Repeat this movement for 10 reps, focusing on your posture throughout. Excellent work! Now let's proceed to exercise 3. Begin on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Gradually round your spine upward, dropping your head and tucking your chin toward your chest, cat position. Hold for a few seconds, then reverse the movement by arching your back, lifting your head, and looking upward, cow position. Repeat this flow for 5 to 10 repetitions, focusing on fluid and controlled movements. Start on all fours with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale, arching your back and lifting your chest towards the ceiling, allowing your belly to sink towards the floor, cow pose. Exhale, rounding your back towards the ceiling, tucking your chin towards your chest, cat pose. Repeat this sequence, moving smoothly and coordinating your breath with the movement. Perform 10 repetitions, focusing on the stretch in your spine and maintaining a neutral neck position. Fantastic job! We're almost there. Let's move on to exercise 4. Shoulder blade squeeze. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart and your arms relaxed at your sides. Roll your shoulders back and down, opening up your chest. Slowly squeeze your shoulder blades together, as if you're trying to hold a pencil between them. Hold this squeeze for 5 seconds, then release. Repeat this movement for 10 repetitions, focusing on activating the muscles between your shoulder blades. Amazing job! We're on the final exercise. Cobra pose. Cobra pose. Incorporate regular posture checks throughout the day to maintain awareness of your alignment. Whether sitting or standing, make it a habit to ensure that your shoulders are relaxed, your spine is elongated, and your chin is slightly tucked in. Avoid slouching or hunching forward, and try to distribute your weight evenly between both feet. Lie on your stomach with your legs extended and the tops of your feet on the mat. Place your hands under your shoulders, fingers spread wide. Press into your hands, lifting your chest off the ground, while keeping your pelvis and lower body grounded. Engage your back muscles and lift your gaze, looking straight ahead or slightly upwards. Hold this pose for 30 seconds, focusing on elongating your spine and maintaining proper alignment. Fantastic! You've completed all 5 exercises. Remember, consistency is key for achieving and maintaining good posture. Make sure to incorporate these exercises into your daily routine for maximum benefit. Lie down on your stomach, with your legs extended and your feet hip-width apart. Place your palms on the ground beside your shoulders, keeping your elbows close to your body. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, lift your chest off the ground, extending your arms fully. Keep your hips and legs relaxed while arching your back gently. Hold this pose for 20 to 30 seconds, gradually increasing the duration over time. The Cobra pose strengthens the back muscles, stretches the spine, and helps counteract the effects of slouching. While height is largely determined by genetics, practicing good posture can help maximize your height potential. By incorporating these 5 simple posture exercises into your daily routine, you can improve your spinal alignment, correct postural imbalances, and enhance your overall appearance. Remember to perform these exercises consistently and with proper form to achieve the best results. Investing just 5 minutes a day in these exercises will not only contribute to a taller appearance but also promote a healthier and more confident you. In conclusion, practicing good posture through targeted exercises can have a positive impact on maximizing your height potential. While genetics primarily determine your height, proper alignment of the spine and body can help you present yourself taller and with more confidence. The 5-minute posture exercises outlined in this essay offer simple yet effective ways to improve your posture, strengthen key muscles, and promote spinal health. By incorporating the wall stretch, Cobra pose, bridge pose, shoulder blade squeeze, and plank into your daily routine, you can gradually correct postural imbalances, elongate the spine, and improve overall body alignment. Consistency and proper form are essential to achieving the best results. Taking just 5 minutes each day to focus on these exercises will not only enhance your appearance but also contribute to your overall well-being. Remember that good posture is not only about looking taller but also about maintaining spinal health and preventing potential issues in the long run. Practicing good posture throughout the day, whether sitting, standing, or walking, is equally important. Be mindful of your body alignment, engage your core muscles, and make a conscious effort to avoid slouching or rounding your shoulders. Maximizing your height potential is within your reach. Embrace these simple yet effective posture exercises and make them a part of your daily routine. By doing so, you will not only stand taller but also feel more confident, improve your physical well-being, and project an overall positive image. Remember, your posture is a reflection of your self-confidence and inner strength, so stand tall and embrace the best version of yourself. By incorporating these posture exercises into your daily routine, you can work towards maximizing your height potential and improving your overall posture. Remember that consistency is key, and combining these exercises with a healthy lifestyle, including proper nutrition and regular physical activity, will contribute to better posture and a confident appearance. While these exercises may not significantly increase your height, they can help you make the most of your natural stature and project an image of strength and confidence. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed these posture exercises and feel inspired to stand a little taller. Remember, good posture not only makes you look taller but also contributes to overall health and confidence. Until next time, keep practicing and take care.